Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we're going to talk about what is a broker and what is spread. A broker is basically a financial service company that is providing trades from currency basis. So for example, if you want to enter a trade with dollar against Japanese yen, you need a broker to do that for you, so you can easily online go in and do a buy trade like you can see you can do here. So that's a broker. And a difference between a good and bad broker can be the difference between you making money or losing money. And that go into, for example, the spreads. Spreads, that's basically the difference between buyers and sellers. If that difference is big, you can enter a trade and the trade will be much in minus. So like, let's say for example, you enter a trade here now. Do you see this line you see here now? You have one blue line and you have one red line. They would have a difference. So that means when you enter the trade here, you maybe have entered the trade down there. And that's not good if that's a sell trade, for example. Because if you enter a sell trade here, that means you need to go all the way down here before you start to see profit. So that's why you need a good broker, like you can see here now. If you take a look, for example, at the most famous one, euro against dollar, you see most of the time says 0. That means it's no different between buyers and sellers. And that means the area when you go in with the trade, your trade are in 0, so if you go little up, you're in plus. If you go little down, you are in minus. Or if you're going with a short trade, short means you're selling. That means the price, if you go down, you're in profit right away. So you need always to have a good broker if you're going to make money. Of course, if you are trading, day trading, if you are trading from day to day, you are more long-term trader. Yes, of course. Then any broker can work for you. Swing trader, any broker can work for you. But if you are a scalper, that you're scalping the market, you need a good broker. By the way, it's always good to have a good broker because you never want to have left money on the table. Because if you're doing many trades through a year, even as a scalper, if you have a bad broker, you will lose so much money through the year compared with a good broker. So that's basically spread and broker for you. Below the video you'll find a link to a good broker.